Kapag product of sum and difference of two terms naman, yan kasi yung parehong-pareho sila ng binomial. Magkaiba lang sila ng operation. Example, x plus 1, x minus 1. Yan yung sum tapos difference. So, yung product niyan, hindi na natin siya ipapakita ng FOIL, no? Kasi para mas mabilis na, no? Shortcut na lang tayo. So, dalawang terms lang yan. Dalawang guhit. Okay? At yung gitna, yung operation palaging minus. Okay? Again, pagka sum, product of sum and difference of two squares, laging minus yan. Tapos, isulat yan yung first term, isulat dito yung second term. Okay? Tapos, i-square natin. Okay? So, ang sagot natin dyan ay x squared. Ito, ang ibig sabihin yan, 1 times 1, which is 1. Ganyan lang siya. Yan lang yung result niya. Okay, paano naman kung ibang number? Let's say, m plus 4 times m minus 4. Okay. So, again, dalawa lang yung line natin. 2 lines lang. Tapos, palaging minus. Okay, sulat dito yung m. Sulat dito yung 4. Then, i-square natin both sides. Okay? Pagka-square natin yan, ang sagot ay m squared minus yung 4 squared, meaning 4 times 4, which is 16. So, m squared minus 16 ang product niya. Okay? So, ganyan lang siya.